In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a Discord server on PC or laptop. So the first thing you must know before doing this is that this is only possible on the desktop version of Discord, and you cannot do it on your mobile phone using the mobile version of Discord. So now when you know this, the second thing you must follow is that you have to be the creator or the owner of the server you would like to copy, and you can either be an owner or be a manager, and the owner gave you permissions, so if you have sufficient permissions, you can do this as well. Now, the first thing you want to do is click up here on the server name, the server you'd like to copy, and then go up to the left to where it's the server name, and you can find the server settings, and then you want to enter the server settings. And here on the left, you want to find server template, as you can see. And now, here is a disclaimer. It says the templates will copy channels and channel topics, roles and permissions, and default server settings, while the templates will not copy messages or any content, members or bots, your server icon, boosts, and any other perks you may have. Now, after you know this, make sure to fill in your template title and template description. So this is basically the name of the template you'd like to create for this server that we'll make a copy on, so it's going to be based on this. Now I'm going to name it copied server, and for the template description, I'm just going to put in this is a copy of my server. There we go. Just make sure it's fewer than 120 characters. In case you missed it, it says 120 characters max, so make sure you put in less than 120 characters. Now once you've done this, you simply click on generate template. There we go. And then a link will be generated. What you want to do to create a copy is click on preview template, and then as you can see, everything has been copied from my previous server. Now what you then want to do is click on create, and just like that, the copy of the server has been created. Now if I go outside, as you can see, this is my previous server, so the one that I'm in right now, as you can see, and this is the copy that's just been created. Now as you can see, the bots or the members are not transferred, so have not been transferred, but everything else, as it stated on that site before we created it, has been copied, and it's basically the exact same server with same settings, channels, and everything like that. Now if this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and that's it.